Oh, oh, Asa. Wow. What are you doing there?
Nothing. I'm doing nothing. Oh, hello
Oh,
everyone. So today, in this bright day,
yeah.
I can believe it, but it's really bright now.
Oh,
I
yeah.
want to show you about this unique fertilizer that can tease the growth of the fruit itself.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh my God. What kind of fertilizer that can make our fruit more got
got
many fruits?
many fruit, but I will share the name of it in the end of it, right?
Oh
So
yeah. I'm
now
curious now, guys.
I'm still.
Can you spell it to me?
I will spit after it, guys. But
Oh,
before that, I'm still relaxing the time here.
oh,
I have a relaxed time here.
yeah.
It's a sunny day.
Oh,
It's not that scorching because we got a lot of shady place from the avocado plant here.
oh yeah.
So
Oh my gosh.
you're still asking you by yourself, right? What
Yeah.
I'm going to make today.
Yeah, I'm curious. I'm always curious about what you are really doing to me. What you
Yesterday
just show me.
I got a new information about this fertilizer,
Oh,
and it can this flowering. How
oh,
can you imagine that?
oh,
If we pull that
yeah,
on the RV,
yeah.
oh,
Oh my,
we can be a billionaire in the split second.
oh my gosh.
Maybe it's
And you
the
got the formula now?
we got the formula, and maybe
Is it organic?
of course I also always share about the organic matters. I don't want to use chemicals here.
Oh
It's all organic,
my gosh.
and everything can be bought or can be found anywhere.
Oh yeah? It's easy to make?
Really easy to make, but it's quite complex. But if you already know the knowledge, it's
Mm-hmm.
pretty easy. It's rather easy than hard. It's a
Oh,
medium.
so could you show me how to make it?
You can wait any longer.
Yeah.
Oh my! Can you be more patient? Huh?
Oh,
But
yeah. Oh my God. I'm so curious, you know.
you're curious, but I think you already can wait longer now.
Yeah.
Come on, follow me.
Oh yeah. Okay.
It's already. I have already prepared it here.
Oh, what's that?
It's a bottle jug
Bottle jug?
for storaging the fertilizer, of course.
Oh, you want to mix that
That's
formula in that kind of container?
That's right. So today I want to show you how to make calcium plus fertilizer.
Calcium plus fertilizer?
And there's many
Oh.
function of that fertilizer.
Oh, what
I
is
will
the function?
I will explain it when I'm doing it. While I'm doing it.
Oh yeah, yeah,
While
yeah.
I'm making it.
Okay, okay. Show me.
So here.
How can you do it?
So
How will you do it?
before that we need to
What's
fermented the first ingredient.
What's that?
It's a salt and the coconut water.
Salt and coconut
Yeah.
water?
So
Have you fermented
of
that?
course I have fermented for 4 days, guys. The minimum
Oh.
is 4 days.
4 days?
Yeah.
You had mixed that two kind of
To kind
things?
Of course, we must mix it first in this separated bottle.
Oh.
So there must be a chemical reaction here.
Oh my God.
So it will work in this fertilizer.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So we need
Oh.
1 liter of it.
Okay.
So we're gonna put it here, all of it.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's already being mixed by the salt, guys.
Oh. So there
You can
will...
use a crystallized salt if you want.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Maybe we want to make it 2 liters
Yeah.
because look at it. I have it here.
Oh, you have prepared 2 liters
That's right.
for
And
the
function of
ingredient?
it, like I told you before,
Yeah.
the function of it is teasing the new growth of the flower, right?
Yeah.
And also it's repairing the quality of the fruit, guys.
Oh, I see. I see.
Repairing the quality of the fruit and make it more productive and the size of the fruit more massively.
Oh, more massively.
Just imagine if we applicate it on the
Yeah.
RV and the sap of triple.
Oh.
Will be crazy rich.
Oh yeah.
And also the ingredient is not that hard,
Yeah.
but you need to be patient when you
We
fermenting
must
it
ferment it first, right?
for days.
4 days.
I don't want to lose all it because I use all my strength to make it.
Oh yeah.
I've been patient for it for 4 days.
Oh
And
my
so
God.
now I can share it to all of you guys.
Oh yeah.
It's already like this, and the next one is the eggshells.
Eggshells?
Or maybe the
Oh.
vinegar one.
Oh, I see.
You use this one. It's
What's
a
that?
vinegar, normal vinegar.
Paranormal vinegar?
Look at it.
Oh, you will use it to mix with that kind of fermentation?
That's right. We're gonna use this all around this bottle. All of it.
All of it.
It's vinegar mainly being found in a restaurant
Mm-hmm.
that we can eat something there
Yeah.
and give it the acidic feels.
Oh,
That's why
yeah.
we use it for the acid.
For acid?
Yeah.
Oh, so it can be mixed to be a calcium.
That's right. And also this fertilizer, guys, it's really rich in it contains a lot of rich nutrient.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And also it contains gibberellin.
Gibberellin?
Yeah.
Not only calcium?
Not only calcium, gibberellin and phosphor.
Oh my.
Imagine that.
Yeah. Oh, can you imagine that, guys?
Just how rich that fertilizer in nutrient is.
I can't wait any longer to have it when you make the videos for
Yeah,
the
make the
next
video.
after you applicate it to your plant.
That's right. I will make the video, guys. Oh, here's the acid,
Yeah.
but you can use a normal vinegar
Yeah.
for the acidic things.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it here.
Yeah.
Come here. Look at it. Full of this bottle, guys.
Yeah.
Don't try to use it in your hand because
Mm.
it's pretty hard
Oh.
because it's acid.
Oh, you mix it now.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mix it here, and you will see the chemical reaction after I pour these magical things
Oh yeah.
that everybody ignore of.
Okay.
But it's really rich in calcium and phosphor.
And gibberellin.
Gibberellin is this one from the coconut water.
Oh, I see.
This one is for phosphor and calcium. Everybody throw it in a trash, but in reality, it contains a lot of nutrient for our plants.
Oh my.
Just imagine that all the farmer out there use this powder now.
Okay.
We have already grind it.
Yeah.
We have already cook it,
Yeah.
making fry it a
Yeah.
little bit without any oil.
And you blend it.
I blend it. I grind it until it's like a powder like this.
Okay.
So we're gonna use a half of it
Yeah.
like this. Come here. You will see a chemical reaction after this.
Okay. Maybe you must mix it first.
Of course, you will right, but I don't want to use my hand because it's acid here.
Oh my god. You can use the bottle.
Yes,
Yeah.
you're right. But this one, because you know what,
Yeah.
guys, you can touch acid things
Yeah.
because it's pretty dangerous. It's
It's
hard.
hard for your hand, you're right?
So even though we use organic here, we
Mhm.
must always stay cautious
Oh.
and always be careful
Yeah.
of our own ingredients.
Okay.
Forget it. I will use my hand.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
It's not that hot because I love to do some new things.
Yeah.
I don't want to be prohibited by anything.
Okay.
I would love to be free like a bird,
Oh.
like an American bird, like a free bird.
Free birds. Yeah.
That's a song from Leonard Skinner.
Line scanner. Yeah.
So come here.
Okay.
You will see the chemical reaction after it.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna use a half of it.
Okay.
Put it like this. Oh, look at that. It's already showing the chemical reaction there.
Yeah.
It's showing a bubbles. A lot of bubbles there. Wait
Yeah.
a minute. Oh my god, that's the bubbles, guys. So it indicated that the fertilizer is going to be work. So after that we mix it
Yeah.
with our hand.
It's your hand.
Yeah.
Oh, you're brave, guys. Oh my gosh. This guy is right.
Look at that. There's the bubbles there. And that's the chemical reaction, guys.
Okay.
Oh, it's starting to have a
Yeah, let
chemical
me see.
reaction now. Many of it.
Let
Look
me
at the
see.
bubble. If you can see it here. Look at that.
Oh yeah. That's right.
It's like a boiling, right?
Yeah.
Because of the acid, I guess.
Yeah. You can see.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's work.
It's really worth.
It's work, guys.
So if you see the function like that, can you believe, guys, if we spray it in our most productive avocado
Wow,
varieties,
I
like
can
in Poco
imagine
Head,
that.
the most
Yeah,
delicious one,
yeah.
it will grow a lot of fruit.
Oh yeah, and bigger too.
Yeah, it's more bigger. Oh my god, that's the chemical reaction there. You can see
Yeah,
that.
yeah. It's a bubble.
Yeah, it's bubbling.
Oh yeah, that's it.
It's how interesting the science is.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I love to see the chemical reaction, you know. It is interesting, really interesting.
Okay. How long will you must be fermented?
It needs to be fermented around 2 days, and after
Just only 2 days?
2 days, guys.
Oh my god.
Can you believe it?
Yeah.
But the long process is fermenting the salt and the coconut water.
Oh.
That makes it more longer because of this. Just 4 days. So in total, we need 6 days to make it.
Yeah. Oh
Oh,
my god.
can you hear the sizzling?
Yeah.
Come here. It's start to sizzling. There's a
Oh yeah.
sound. You can hear it. There's a sound of sizzling here, like a boiling.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's pretty good for our plant, guys. It contains a phosphor, gibberellin, and calcium.
Yeah.
And the function of it, it makes our plant, not our plant, but our fruit, more have a lot of new quality, a better quality, and also teasing a lot of new flowering. And the dosage of using it, that's the dosage, guys. For spraying, we need 250 milliliters per 15 liters water, and for watering, we need 300 milliliters for 15 liters of water. So that's the tutorial, guys. I hope it's helpful for all of you. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.